Hello children, today let's do a parachute drawing. A parachute flying high in the sky. Let's start. First of all, we need to draw a circle. You can draw it freehand or you can use something to trace a perfect circle. Next, we need to draw a curved line in the middle. Now let's put 2 points opposite to each other. Then we will draw these 3 lines from both the sides. So this is the top part of our parachute. Now next, let's just draw these and a rectangular base. Now in the background, let's draw some clouds and sun. Using a scallop line, we can draw these clouds high in the sky and some birds flying around. Here in the parachute, we will fill all these sections in different colors, so it will be very bright and multicolor. Now for the base, we will just draw some kind of landscape. Some ground is there. And we can draw some trees. We will keep it simple and easy. So just 2 lines for the trunk of the tree and some scallop lines for the top of the tree. So this is quite easy for us to draw. Now the drawing is complete. Next, let's trace it with a black marker. So here the tracing is complete. Now let's color. So we can let's do some dry medium like pencil color or crayons. So let's start filling the colors. So here we will use different colors in all these blocks to make it multicolor. Just alternately back down side also we will use the same color but from opposite side. Now here in the bottom part, let's just use brown all over. For the clouds, we will use sky blue. Let's make sure we are coloring it uniformly and we are not leaving any much of white space of the paper is not visible. We will use yellow for the sun and for the sun rays too. Now let's use green for the tree. So here we will just use circular scribbling and we will not fill the color entirely. This is an easy technique to color trees the easy way. We can use 2 shades of green, darker and lighter, 2 to 3 shades, so it becomes voluminous. Just use 1 more shade of green. In the same way, another tree also we will fill color inside. If you wish, we can add some fruits to it. And the trunk we can do in brown. Now the bottom part we can make it grassy, so I'm just using light green to fill this space. Slowly and steadily we will color this. So children, here our landscape drawing is complete. Where we have drawn the parachute using the basic circle, rectangle and circle. We have drawn some clouds, some trees and some grassland at the bottom. This is the easiest way to draw this kind of landscape. I hope you have enjoyed doing this with me. Stay connected for more easy peasy and fun videos of art. Thank you.